All right, let's do a little rain recap. Yesterday at Austin's Camp Mabry, 1.07 inches of rain. And you could see the total through yesterday for the month. But then we had some additional rain after midnight, another 1/10 of an inch of rain. That brings us up to 4.54 inches for the month. This is only slightly above normal. Austin Camp Mabry, compared to a lot of surrounding areas, is not as wet. We've had a lot of rain in Williamson County, plenty in the Hill Country. Even some of our eastern counties have had several rounds of rain. So Camp Mabry, at that particular site, at that particular rain gauge, a bit drier than many of the other areas because we're only slightly above normal for rain. And over the next few days, we're going to start falling back below normal for rain for the month, which most people will think of this month as actually a pretty wet one. Year to date, we're still in a rainfall deficit. Lake Travis still rising, especially today after Lake LCRA opened up one gate of Max Starkey Dam, allowing more water into Lake Travis. So that's still rising. Lake Buchanan inching closer to full. 1020 is full, and you can see how close we are there. 7.2 feet above normal for Lake Buchanan. And for the first time in months, Lake Travis is technically above normal by just 1/10 of a foot. How much rain have we had over the last 24 hours? You can see the Hill Country anywhere from about a ½ inch there in San Saba, an inch in Doss, to more than 3.5 inches in Bannin. But by far the highest rainfall totals that we've seen, 4.5 inches there in Florence in northwestern Williamson County. And then the amounts trended lower as the storm started to pick up the pace and move more quickly from the metro eastward, where our amounts were more between ½ an inch and 1.5 inches. Now on KXAN.com, if you're interested in seeing how much rain has fallen over you or your nearby neighborhoods, you can check our Austin area rainfall totals right there. Those are always on KXAN.com if you're ever curious about the rainfall near you and you don't have a rain gauge in your own backyard. The latest drought report is this, but we get an update tomorrow. Tomorrow's drought update will not include any rain that has fallen since Tuesday morning. And that for many is plenty of you have had rain since Tuesday morning. So that will be reflected in next week's drought update. Basically Tuesday morning at 8 is the data cutoff that gets factored into the Thursday report. This is how it looks outside and high now in western Blanco County from the Covington Cellars, as we've got filtered sunshine coming through, and we're going to keep gradually increasing the sun from west to east as we go through the afternoon, as our cluster of storms that came through last night and also was just to the south of us this morning continues to gradually work its way away from central Texas. But it's still been throwing some clouds our way today, keeping us mostly cloudy for now, but some late day sun looks to greet us here as we head into the evening. Briefly this evening will turn mostly clear, then overnight into tomorrow morning, some low clouds and patches of fog will come back. So we'll start briefly with some clouds and then a lot of sun on the way for your Thursday. We've got a tiny 10% rain chance here for tomorrow in case a stray little shower or storm can bubble up later in the afternoon. Then some clouds come back here briefly for Friday morning, and then it's nothing but sunshine through the day. Right now our Friday forecast is all dry, and then clouds come back here for Saturday morning before giving way to increasing sun into the afternoon with a slim shower chance coming back here for Saturday. Rain chances tonight though, 0%. Overnight lows getting down to 68. Just remember there could be some fog by daybreak. We'll go with 87 here tomorrow, so it should be a much warmer day thanks to much more sun. Early fog to sun and some scattered clouds, but that low 10% rain or storm chance later in the day. So Friday looks dry, decently sunny, 90. We'll start getting used to more low 90s here Friday and into the weekend. 91 Saturday, clouds to sun, 10% rain chance. Slightly higher 20% rain chances here on Sunday. Don't discount these days with low rain chances, because sometimes these low rain chance days, you're one of the lucky folks and the rain falls over you. It just means that the coverage is limited. So rain chances stay pretty low here through Sunday. Monday's rain chances not that much higher at 20%. And then we start to get into and ease into a slightly wetter pattern again by Tuesday and Wednesday with 30% rain chances. And the extended 8 to 14 day rainfall outlook, that's from June 4th through the 10th, continues to lean wetter than normal. So it's likely that our rain and storm chances are far from over.